nice hat.
Yours?
Where did you get that?
That company.
Another care package?
A gift.
Let's open it. Well, thank you so much, the company. Another great care package. Let's see. I'm digging this hat though. Nice.
Yeah.
Cute.
Ooh, kawaii.
Cute sweater. Ooh. Summer vibe. What's next? Yeah, I don't know. Oh, sweatpants. What else? That's a fat care package. Another bag. I'm using one of these for my spare tie rods. T-shirt? That is a girl t-shirt for you. Arigato. What? She said she's gonna wear it already. She's happy.
これ全部リンノじゃん。V ネックこんな2個もくれたこれ。いやーめっちゃ嬉しい。Thank you.
That gotta be for me.
グレーで可愛いじゃん。すごい。
Wow. Thank you guys. I'll tag them right here. The company. I'm digging this hat.
ねこれ可愛い。
Check them out. The company. They always take care of us. Let's start today's episode. Let's go Tsukuba circuit. S15's cold start. It's about 6. We're ready to go. Alright, drive safe. I'll see you on the track. Snack. Getting some breakfast and lunch.
レシートをお受け取りください。
We made it to Tsukuba circuit and Lina already had a couple sessions. She was able to do some donut. Oh, she's gonna try donut first. And this thing is handling really well. Surprisingly, no issue. I just shredded. Here's the 50 and 180 shot. But it is a hot day. It's crazy hot. Even in the shade, it's really hot. Quite a bit cool cars out here today. overheated. I am.
優がでもめっちゃ、
よかった
超かっこよかったよ。
S15 is good, but I'm like legit overheated.
ジーン。
Well, it was a good day yesterday, but I didn't get to film much because I got heat stroke afternoon and I was hella dizzy, headache, and bad. It was like over 100 degrees, but car ran good. Surprisingly, S15 runs really well, super fast, handles good. I'm happy. She's taking selfie for her thumbnail. She was doing well and she practiced donut in 180 and she's getting better every time. A couple of my homies came to hang out and it was their first time getting drift car. It was fun day testing out S15 and they got to practice a lot in my 180. And this weekend it's the Ebisu Matsuri. Probably you guys know, but at Ebisu Circuit they got like 6 or 7 tracks in same area and 2 days straight, all day, all night, and all day, Saturday to Sunday. I'm just taking 180 because this still not ready. You excited? And let's have fun. Thank you guys for watching today's episode, and don't forget to smash a like button, and if you haven't yet, subscribe. We are doing a bunch of car content. I mean, that's all I do. That's my life. I just film my life. Nah. But hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time. Be drifting. Lynn will be drifting too.